Hello students, today we are going to do our first chapter from Composite Mathematics of class 2, and the topic of the chapter is revision numbers from 1 to 100. Look at here. This is your first chapter, revision numbers 1 to 100, okay, and this is in page number 7. Look at there, this is your page number 7, okay. Now actually, what is missing numbers? Look at here. First, fill in the missing numbers. Okay. So, actually, what is missing number? Missing numbers are numbers which are not in a number line. Okay. Actually, this chapter is just a revision exercises, or we can say that it is just the review or recap of previous classes. Okay, that we have done already in your previous class. So, here, look at here. Missing numbers, as I told you, that numbers which are not there, that numbers you have to write it down. So here are some numbers which are already given, but some numbers are missing. That number you have to write it in the box, okay. But your numbers should be from 1 to 100, okay. It's up to 1 to 100. So look at here. First number is 1, which is already given, right? So after 1, which number will come? 2. So you have to write 2 out here, okay? After 2, it's 3. So you have to write 3 out here. Next number is 3. After that is 4, right? After 4, it's 5. So you have to write 5 out here. Next number will be 6, okay, and the 7 will be your next number, but the 7 is already given, so you don't need to write it down, and we should not repeat the number which is given already in your textbook, okay. So after 7, which number will come? 8. So you have to write 8 out here, okay. After 8, it's 9, right? And after 9, it is 1, 0, 10. Okay. Likewise, you have to fill all the blank boxes. Okay. And you have to fill it up to 100. Your last box should be a 1, 0, 0, 100. Okay. So, rest of the boxes you have to fill it by yourself. Okay. As I have taught you to do. Okay. Okay. Now come to next. Fill in the missing numbers by counting forward or backward. Okay. Look at here. Forward. You know what forward means? A forward means number which is just after the number. Okay. And backward means number which is just before the number, as we have done already in our previous classes. Okay. So here in the first line it is 51, right? And the arrow is in forward position, okay. And 51, after 51 which number is there? 52, 5 2 52, okay. That means 51, 52, and your number should be 5 3 53, okay. And after 53 your number should be 5 4 54, okay. These are the series that you have to write in a forward position. That means this is a forward number. That means 5 1 51, 5 2 52, 5 3 53, 5 4 54. After that 5 5 55, 5 6 56, and 5 7 is already there, so you don't need to write it down, okay. After 57 it's 5 8 58. After 58 it's 5 9 59, and your last number should be 60 60, okay. This is the forward position, so you have to write it the numbers which comes after the numbers, okay. So next series you have to do it by yourself, but look at here, it is 1 9 19, okay, and the next number is 1 8 18, okay. So this is the number which comes just before the 19, Okay, like as we have done that, it is the backward position. Okay, so you have to write backward 1919 1818. That means this is the number which just come before the 19. So which number will be there which comes before 18? It is 1717. Okay, this is the number which comes just before the 18, and this is a backward form. Okay, so after 17, which number will come just before 17? 1 6 16. Okay, before 16 it was 1 5 15, and after before 15 it was 1 4 14, and before 14 it was 1 3 13, and before 13 it was 1 2 12. Okay, and before 12 it was 1 1 11, and before 11 it was 1 0 10, and which is already given, right? So this is the backward form and this one is the forward form. So rest of the portion you have to do it by yourself. Okay, now come to next. Okay, write the numbers for the given number names. Okay, here look at your exercise. S I X T E E N, that is, this is 16. Okay, and this is in words. Okay, this is in numbers name. Okay, so you have to write numerical form of 16. So you have to write 1 6 16 out here, right? In a similar way, look at here, S I X T Y 60 T H R E E 3. This is 63. That means which is in a word. So you have to write in a numerical form. So 63 is 6 3 63. Okay. This is the way you have to write it. You have to do this exercises. Okay. 41, 58, 79, 54, 30, 19, 37, 28, 44, 95, 82, 100. All these are in your name, okay, words. But you have to write the numbers in a numerical form. Okay. Now come to next. Write the number names for the given numbers. So here it is a numerical form. Okay, so you have to write their names as I shown you already in a examples. Okay, so first number is 1 1 11, which is in numerical form. Okay, but you have to write its name. So you have to write it in a word. So E L E V E N, 11. That means you have to write the name of numerical numbers. That is 11. Okay. The next number is 3 5 35. So you have to write it like this. You have to write in word. Okay. T H I R T Y, 30 hyphen F I V E 5. Okay, this is the way you have to do your rest of the portion. Okay, 56, 72, 49, 18, 96, 98, 44, 63, 27, 31, 59, 59 and 86. Okay, you have to write the numbers name. You have to write in words. Okay, but here you have to write in figure, and in the lower section you have to write in words. Okay, now come to next page, which is page number 9. Okay, page number 9. Look at here, before, after, between. Okay, but before we start this exercise, let me tell you what is before, after and between. Okay, I'll show you some examples. So look at here, here are the series of numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Okay. So let us know what is before. Okay. If I say 2, okay, before means, as I told you already, that it is the number which comes just before the number, just before the number. That means this is the number, okay, and the before means the number which comes just before the number 2. Okay. If I give you 2, then which number will be in the front? Which number was in the front first? Okay, look at here. 2. This is 2, right? And which number was just before the 2? It is 1, right? It is 1. That means your before number is 1, isn't it? Understood? If I told you, if I say that, let's take an example of 9. Okay, if I say 9, and this is your 9 in a series like 1 to 10, this is your 9, right? And what number will be just before the number? And it is 8. So your number should be 8. Okay, and the before number is 8. Understood? This is your before form. Okay, the number which comes just before the number is called before. Okay, and look at here, after. Now look at here, after. Okay, after. Now what is after? After is actually the number which comes just after the number. That means which is the number already given. Okay, look at here. If I say 4, okay, where is 4 in a number series? Here. Okay, 4, right? So which number will just after the 4? That is 5. Okay, 5 was the number which was just after the number. After the number means after 4. So 4 will become after, 5 will become after 4. That means your number will be 5. Got it? And this is your after number. That means forward numbers. Okay, as we had done in before also. So let's take another example. Like if I say 9. If I say 9, or if I give you 9, so where is the 9 in a number series? Look at her. This is 9. Okay. 8 was just before the number, and which was the number which is just after 9? That is 1, 0, 10. Right? So your next number is 10. So your after number will be 1, 0, 10. So 10 will come after 9. Got it? So these are the form of afterward. Okay. Now what is between? Look at here. Okay, what is between? Between is actually a number which comes within two numbers. Okay, within two numbers. For let's take an example. If I give you 2, okay, and if I say 7, okay, some numbers are missing. Okay, as we have done in the previous exercise also. So 2, after 2 which number will come? 3, right? After that 4, 5, 6, and then it's 7. So these are the numbers which comes between these two numbers. Okay, understood? These are the numbers which comes between these two numbers. Okay, so let's take an example of another example. If I say 2 and 4, which number will come in between? Look at here, 2, 3, 4. That means which number is missing? 3. Okay, that means 3 should be here, which should be in between these two numbers. Okay, so between means a number which comes within two numbers. Okay, got it? Okay, now come to our exercises portion. Okay, look at here. Fill in the place holders. Okay, fill in the place holders. That means here are some blanks given here where you have to fill the numbers. Okay, which comes just before 60. Okay, which number will be there just before 60? Your number should be 5, 9, 59. 5, 9, 59, 60, 60. These are the series of numbers, okay, which is in forward position. So, which number will come just before the 60? 5, 9, 59. Okay. So, look at the second example. Your number is 71. 7, 1, 71. So, which number will be there just before the 71? Your number will be 70, 70. 7070 71 71 according to our number series from 1 to 100, right? So 70 is the number which comes just before 71. Okay, so rest you have to do it by yourself. Okay, look at here, your next row. 9 1 91 is just after 9 0 90. Okay, so your 90 is just before 91. Okay, it's just the similar kind of this section. Okay, before number. 59 is just before 60 and 91 is just after 90. Is both are before numbers. Okay, so look at here. 6060 is just after 5959. Okay, first 59 will come, then 60 will come. Now that's why 60 is just after 5959. Right? Now come to the next. 4646 is just before 4747. Okay, 46 is just before 47. Got it? And 69 is just before 7070. That means 69 is just before 70 and 70 is your after number. Okay, and 69 is your before number. Okay, so similarly you have to do the rest. Now look at the next section. Dash is just after 30. Just after 30. That means 31 is just after 30. Okay, 31 is your after number or the forwarded number. Okay, and next number is the dash is just after 9393. Now next is 9393. Dash is just after 9393. 9494. Okay, 94 is just after 93. That means 94 is your after number. Okay, so you have to do the rest by yourself. Now come to the next. The number which comes between 18, 1 and 83 is, as I told you, that the number which comes between the number or within the two numbers is called between number. So you have to write after 81, 81, 81, 83, 83. Which number is missing out there? 8, 2, 82, right? So 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83. Now the series will be complete, right? So this is the number which was missing. So this is a between number. Similarly, next one, 5656 comes between, 56 will comes between, and the before number is 5, 555, and the after number is, after 56 is 5, 7, 57. So 5, 5, 55, 5, 6, 56, and after that is 5, 7, 57. That means 56 is the number which comes between 55 and 56, right? Now rest of the portion you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Now come to next page. That is page number 10. Okay. Now look at here. Comparison of numbers. Okay. Comparison of numbers. Okay. Before we start this exercise, let me tell you that what is comparison of numbers. Okay. Actually, a comparison of number means to examine the differences between two or more than two numbers. Okay. So I'll show you some examples for this. So look at here. Now see the examples. Comparison of numbers. Okay. Comparison of numbers. Okay. Comparison of numbers. That means to compare a number between two numbers, right? So let's take an example. 5. Okay. One number is 5 and another number is, let's take an example of 7. Okay. One is 5 and another one is 7. So look at here. What exactly a comparison of numbers is. Okay. So look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles are making. Okay. I'm making 5 circles. Okay. Because the number is 5. Now look at here. I'm making 7 circles because the number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So look at here. How to compare the number. Okay. Now look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Got it? Now no circles are left. Right? Now look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Still there are 2 circles left. Right? That means this number is bigger than this number. Okay. Because 2 circles are left in 7. Okay. Whereas there are no circles left in 5. That means 7 is bigger than 5. Right? One thing you have to remember, that bigger number always open his mouth. Okay. Right? Your arrow should be towards smaller number. Got it? So this is the way how you have to compare the numbers. Okay. Now come to our exercises portion. Okay. Look at here. Encircle the smallest number in each row. That means you have to make a circle in the smallest numbers. Okay. First you have to compare the numbers within 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means in each row there are 5 numbers. So you have to compare the numbers, which one is the smallest one. Okay. And you have to make a circle on that number. Okay. Look at here. In each row there are 5 numbers. Okay. Let's see the example. Okay. Which already done. First number is here 5. Okay. Second number is 19. 1, 9, 19. Third is 2, 6, 26. Fourth is 4, 1, 41. And fifth one is 2. We can see that there are 2 numbers which is in single digit. That means in ones place only. They are in ones place. Okay. As compared to other 3 numbers. Like look at here. Ones, tens. There are 2 numbers. Okay. 2, 6, 26. That means ones, tens. Okay. That means 26 also 2-digit number. Okay. Whereas 41 is also a 2-digit number. Okay. But as compared to this, 2 and 5 are singular number. Okay. That means these 2 numbers are smallest as compared to these 3 numbers. Right. But you have to see the smallest ones place. That means 5 and 2. 1 is 5. Okay. Look at here. 1 is. Okay. Now come to next side. Encircle the greatest number in each row. That means here you have to make a comparison, but you have to make a circle in the biggest number. Okay. Look at here. This is just the opposite of previous one. 9 to 92, 3, 3, 33, 1, 4, 5, 45, 2, 9, 29. Okay. 92 is the biggest number. Okay. As compared to other 4 numbers. Okay. Look at here. 92 is bigger than 33. 92 is bigger than 1. 92 is bigger than 45. 92 is bigger than 29. So 92 is bigger as compared to other 5 numbers. So you have to make a circle out here. Okay. So similar way you have to do the rest of the sum. Right. Okay. Now come to next. Ascending and descending orders. Okay. Before we start this, let me tell you what is ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Okay, that means you have to write the numbers from smallest to the bigger one. Okay, biggest. And the descending means the number that you have to write from biggest to the smallest one. That is decreasing order. You have to write in decreasing order. Let's take an example. Okay, so look at here. Here are some examples of ascending orders and descending orders, okay, to make you understand what actually a ascending order is. Okay, look at here. Okay, this is a stair, okay. There is a boy, okay. There is a boy who wants to go to the up. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. Okay, and he wants to reach here. Okay, so look at here. This is his first step. Okay, so this is his first step. Okay, right. Now second, he again went up, okay, to the second step. Okay, he reached here. Again, he went up. He went up. That means in the third stair. Okay, he reached here. Okay, understood? Again, that means finally he reached at the top. Okay, before he was here. But right now, he went up to the stairs. Okay, that means this is the way you have to arrange your numbers. Okay, in ascending order. That means from smallest to the biggest one. Okay, understood? So, descending means, again, the boy was here. Okay. Now, he wants to come down. Okay, this was the fourth step, third step, second step and first step. Okay, right. Now, he wants to come down. So, third was his first step. Okay, third was his first step because he is coming down. Okay, and 2 is his second step. Okay, now 1 is his last step. Okay, so finally he reached to the ground. Okay, that means before he was here and right now he was on the ground. That means he came down. Okay, this is the descending order. That means from bigger to the smallest as 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, whereas ascending means 1, 2, 3, 4, increasing order. Okay, increasing order, whereas descending is a decreasing order like 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you have to compare the number and you have to arrange the number according to the ascending order. If you have to make ascending order, you have to do like this, and if you have to arrange a descending order, so you have to do like this. Okay, got it? Okay, now come to our exercises portion. Okay, arrange the numbers in ascending order. That means decreasing or increasing. That means it is increasing order, right? Ascending means increasing order from smallest to biggest, right? So look at here. There are 5 numbers. 6, 3, 63, 8, 1, 81, 2, 9, 29, 1, 3, 13, 7, 5, 75. Okay, so you have to make a comparison between these 5 numbers. Which is the smallest one? First you have to see the smallest one. Okay, because ascending means from smallest to the biggest. As I told you that 1 to 4 is the ascending order, right? So we can see that 13 is our smallest number as compared to others. Okay, so you have to cut the 13 and you have to write it here, 13. Okay, and make a comma out here. After 13 you have to see the numbers 63, 81, 29 and 75. Look at here, 29 is your smallest as compared to this 3. Okay, that means you have to cut the 29 and you have to write it 2929 out here and make a comma out here. Now you have to see 63 63, 81 81 and 75 75. Which one is the smallest one? Yes, 6363 is the smallest one. Okay, that means you have to cut 63 and you have to write it here 6363 and make a comma out here again. Now see the number 81 81 and 75 75, because these two numbers are left out here, right? So which one is the smallest one? Yes, 75 75 is the smallest one. So you have to cut it here. Okay, and write 75 75 out here. Okay, make a comma out here. Now which one is left? 81 81. Now cut it 81 81 and write 81 81. Okay, so 13, 29, 63, 75, 81. This is the correct order of ascending order, right? So rest you have to do it by yourself. Okay, now come to the next. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, descending order means, as I told you, that it is a decreasing order, like 4 to 1. Okay, as I given you the examples. Okay, 4 to 1. So you have to see the biggest number first. Okay, so look at here, 2 8 28, 8 1 81, 5 7 57, 9 5 95, 7 0 70. So which one is the biggest one? 9595. Okay, so you have to cut the 95 out here and write it 95 over here. Okay, and make a comma out here. After cutting 95, 28, 81, 57 and 70 are left. So in this, which one is the biggest? 81. Good, 81 81. So you have to write it here and make a comma out here. Now which numbers are left? 28, 57 and 70. Which one is the biggest? Obviously 70 is the biggest number. Okay, so you have to write 70 out here. Okay, and make a comma out here. Now 28 and 57 are left. Okay, that means within these two numbers 57 is the biggest one. So you have to cut 57 and write 57 out here and make a comma. Now which one is left? 28 is the smallest one, so it was left. So you have to cut 21 and write 28 out here. Sorry. Okay, so these are the correct order that you have to make descending orders. Okay, so in this way you have to make the rest of the portion. Okay. Okay, I hope you all understood till here. Okay, but this is only the part 1 of your chapter number 1, and rest of the exercises of chapter 1 that you have to see in part 2. Okay, so thank you.